Hey yogis, in this video I will reveal how to grow your yoga business with simple free ads in 2023. This strategy does not require special software, no startup costs, zero maintenance, and you don't need to spend money to advertise your business. So it's completely free forever. So you can attract all the customers that you need for your business well into 2023 and beyond. Because I know we all dream of having a yoga business that can support us financially while we pursue our yoga ambition. But there are challenges to bring a steady flow of customers to our business, and that is causing a lot of us to be stuck. And so I want to show you this how this thriving yoga business have been posting these free ads all over Google. And surprisingly, not many seasoned online marketer or top yoga channels have caught on to this strategy yet. And many of these Google pages have massive search volumes. I'll show you later. So this is one big opportunity you can't afford to miss out. And that's how they are able to bring steady flow of customer traffic to their business. And you will want to do the same because this strategy is working so well for them. Now, most of us, we rely on maybe our website traffic, newsletter, social media channels like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube channel traffic to eventually buy something from us. But with these things, you'll have to be constantly posting new content, fresh content to get traction, right? And creating fresh content endlessly, these things tax us emotionally and financially sooner or later. Then the content becomes obsolete the next day, the next week, so nobody wants to look at them anymore. So we're back to doing everything all over again. And don't forget the software tools that's difficult to work with. So I know this stuff is frustrating. I've been there before. And if you have tried to pay contractors to get some of these things done, we all know the pains too. Many of us have burned our savings before on jobs that took too long, cost too much, and in the end still don't work the way we want. So we're left dejected, maybe angry, or eventually questioning, will these efforts ever work for us? I know it breaks your heart to put so much in and you still can't make it work. Here's she's obviously a popular yoga teacher, successful entrepreneur, and let's have a look at, if I were to Google this keyword, let's have a look at this. See? Yoga with Adrian. Look at that. Right? And then here's a competitor, Yoga with Bert. All right? We're looking at 6,600 search per month for this keyword. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 out of 6 videos on this front page of Google belongs to this yoga teacher, this channel. And the other 2 belongs to another one, another yoga teacher here, and another yoga teacher here. All right? Now, let's try another keyword. Again, there she is. Top 3 videos on this first page, right on top of this page, belongs to her. And then you have one more video at the, on the fourth spot. All right? And this keyword gets 3,600 search per month. So this channel totally dominates this page with 3,600 search per month. All right? With only one other competitor. On YouTube, as you know, you'll be competing with thousands of other yoga videos. Now, there's more videos on the next page, but we won't go into that, all right? Because people usually don't click on the next page. So what I'm trying to say here is, if you can tell Google to put your videos here on pages like this, then you can get a share of traffic from this page. Surprisingly, not many other yoga channels are competing for a keyword like this on this page. As you can see here, you only have yoga with Cassandra, all right? And then on the previous page, you only have yoga with Bert and yoga with Cassandra. So obviously, Yoga with Adrian, this channel, is getting a lot of views on Google pages like these ones. All right? And here's what I mean. This is even acknowledged by Google. Right? So this is her website, and it's stated here, Yoga with Adrian was recognized by Google as the most searched workout video of 2015, right? So this is like putting up advertisement on the front page of Google, except that it's not a real paid advertisement, all right? But you still get your videos right on top on the first page of Google. So you have this video thumbnail, all right? And you have this keyword that people are looking for. You have this keyword here, right? Keyword here. So obviously people will click into any of these videos, right? So this works just like a paid advertisement. In fact, it is more effective than a paid advertisement because of this thumbnail. And as you know, people don't click on ads. People click on organic listing like this. And this is better than, this performs better than advertisements because it's got images, right? So this is like advertising yoga classes to people who are looking for yoga classes, all right? And so if you look at what's on this video, so people will search for yoga for hips, click on one of these videos, come to something like this, watch the video, all right? And they will watch this video, and sometimes they will click on links like this. They will explore, and they will click on something like this. All right? So then they will join. This is her paid membership. So they will click on this into her website, and they will join her membership. Okay? Now, if I was Adrian, I would put this link here, this part, I will put it right up here, somewhere here. Because if you close this, you can see that it's better to have the link here. Sorry, let me close that again. It's better to have the link here. It's better to have the link on this so that people don't have to expand to see the link. All right? So there's no clumsy marketing software in between. It's just Google page to the video. People are watching the video and maybe click on the link. somewhere here without having to expand, and then they go into this offer page. All right, and so this video has got 14 million views 4 years ago, and it is listed here on the first page of Google. And this video will stay on this page for many, many years, attracting customers every single day for this channel. Zero ongoing work, zero advertisement expenses, year after year. No need to post everywhere for traffic. You don't need huge followers on social media or YouTube channel. You don't need YouTube channel to promote your videos because this traffic is from Google. Google is promoting the traffic for you, not YouTube. All right? And on YouTube, you are competing with thousands of other yoga videos. Here on this Google page, you are only competing with one competitor. The other 3 videos are yours. Right? So make sure you just don't bury the link. Keep it on this box here before it's expanded. All right, and then you will have more people. It's easier for people to click to check out your offer. Now, you don't have to limit yourself to yoga keywords. There are many Google pages that don't have yoga videos on them, so this is huge opportunity for you. Because if you search for non-yoga keyword, if you search for problem keywords instead, you'll see what I mean. Let's say I don't want a yoga keyword. Instead, I search for a problem keyword like back pain relief. Okay? And you have 90,000 search here. And look at that. There is no video. Okay? How about back pain relief exercises? So we're looking at 12,000 search here per month. People are looking for exercise. There's one here. All right? You can put your video here. All right? And the top, well, there's one ad here. The top spot is not taken. All right? People are searching for solutions for their back pain, and you can show them how yoga can help. So do you want your video here on this first page of Google? There's no need to compete with thousands of other yoga videos on YouTube. And people don't want to click on ads like this. People don't want to read instruction on web pages like this. All right? People want to watch videos like this. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, all right? To find out how to solve their problem. And your video can do that for them. Right now, there's only one video here, attracting all this traffic, 12,000 search per month. Let's try something else. How about neck pain? So there's 8,000 plus search here every month. Traffic is steady. It used to be way much higher, right? But now we're still getting 14,000 search per month. All right? So I'll have a look at this. So, and strangely, at the end of the year in December, it always spikes up. All right? So there you go. There you have it. All right? Look at that traffic, right? So let's try maybe one last one. Let's try this. Oh my goodness. 135,000 search per month. And look at that traffic increasing. There's a bit of downtrend here, but still very high. And only 2 videos. Okay? So you can put your video here. Super, super insane traffic. And you know, Google owns YouTube. So you can post your video on YouTube and it gets picked up by Google within a few hours or sometimes instantly, and it will start sending traffic on that day. And if you can tell Google to put your video here, you can have a share of this 135,000 search per month on day 1. Now, there are some details on how to go about doing this in the comments, so you can follow up. All right? So now you know, if you want to grow your own yoga business fast like Adrian Mishler here, put this strategy to work now. All right? So don't just sit on these ideas, take action, and don't let your past experience or your doubts stop you from making progress, right? And did you know, in the early days, Adrian Mishler was making YouTube videos with one of her yoga pants that had a hole at the back, but that didn't stop her from making videos. So that's taking action, right? So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Drop me a comment and let me know if I've missed out anything, or if you want to share your experience, the challenges you face, and maybe show us how you overcome them. Drop me a comment and I will read them. In the next video, I will explore with you even more ways to make great income while pursuing your passion for yoga and touch 1 million lives. So I'll see you in my next video. Stay tuned and thank you for watching, friends. Namaste.